Cozy Bean, are you excited for the slime that we're gonna put inside the ooze chamber of Trash Pack? Yep, of course. They're gonna be so surprised because they were gonna have slime. You're gonna have ooze slime. Yep. Okay, so hi guys. Today we're gonna be making slime. So the ingredients is a bowl that you can mix the slime, spoon, food coloring, Elmer's glue, some of the detergent here. Now, first we're going to add the glue. Just a little of glue. Little drippy of glue. There you go, kind of like. So this is for my school. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use a little bit because I don't have anything to use for my school. Now the color is for the slime color. Now you're gonna put OMG. I put in a lot of detergent. Okay, just a little touch of detergent. I don't know if this is gonna work, but okay, so let's mix the slime and the detergent together with a spoon and some color. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. I'm so sad if it's not gonna work because all of the slime that I made is fail. I didn't even make one that is good. So just wish me luck. I really don't know what I'm doing. Okay, so let's kind of mix it. Ooh, mix it. Okay, so it's kind of turning like this. I really don't know if it's gonna really work. It's just like these. Wait a minute. I think there's too much detergent. Oh, the detergent smells so good. But I didn't think this slime will be good. Okay, so come on, work. Okay, so it doesn't work. You can see it's not transforming slime. So there it is. It just kind of looks like drippy. Not really a slime. So, okay. This video was a fail, guys. So, I'm so sorry because we have a lot of detergent on it. So, but we have the ooze chamber here. You can see it's from Trash Pack. It says Trash Pack on it. Slime. And this little trap here. Trap to the slime. And there's the elevator that you can go second floor. And then when you're here, you can go right through the elevator and go to the third floor, which is super slimy, and it says ooze chamber that you can go and put that down and close. So I hope you enjoyed this video, even though if we didn't make any slime. Bye.